We might need to combine multiple workbooks into one workbook in order to analyze or present the information better. Though this can be done manually by moving or copying the worksheets from different workbooks into one workbook, but it would be time consuming and prone to errors. Moreover, if there are a large number of workbooks or worksheets, then the problem is even bigger. However, we have a solution to this, and it would not take more than a few seconds to get all workbooks merged into one. We'll have a look as to how this is possible. All the Excel workbooks that you want to combine should be placed in one folder. For the purpose of this tutorial, we have created a folder named Excel Workbooks and have placed 3 files in it. We'll now open 3 files to check the contents. So here are the 3 files. File 1 has one worksheet in it named WS1. File 2 has one worksheet named WS2, and file 3 has 2 worksheets named WS3A and WS3B. So our task is to get all these workbooks together, consolidated into a single workbook, which means that all the worksheets would become part of a single workbook. So in our example, there are 4 worksheets in 3 workbooks that we need to bring together. We'll now open a new Excel workbook where all our Excel files need to be combined. Here, and in this workbook we'll press Alt F11 to open the Visual Basic editor. In the VB editor menu, click on Insert, Module, and this will insert a module for the workbook with a blank code window. Now we'll copy the code that we have in this Word doc. We'll simply copy it over and paste it in the code window. In the code, we need to make a small change here in path. In this line, insert the location of the folder which we have placed the files that are to be combined. So let's go to the Documents folder and open the Excel Workbooks folder. Now get the path by clicking on the address bar drop down. Here we'll insert the path between the quotes. Note that a backslash has been added at the end of the folder path. Place the cursor anywhere in the code and click on the green play button in the toolbar options. Alternatively, you can press the F5 key. This will activate the code and all worksheets from the Excel workbooks in the folder would get consolidated into a single workbook. Now you can save the master workbook and you are done.